Welcome to another video. This video is about a sign made for a military customer. The customer wanted a custom logo rather than the branch. He wanted a custom logo made and did not have any kind of artwork or any kind of vector-based or even just pixel-based artwork or picture. He just had a picture of a coin, like these round military coins that they have, and so he sent me a picture. I looked at it and I was like, nah, can't do it. Then I looked at it again and I was like, yeah, I think challenge accepted. So I offered him to convert the coin into vectors and try my best to make it work. It actually did work out. It took a little bit longer than I thought it would, but that's okay. I'm more after the challenge and get better at this, grow as a sign maker. And you cannot grow if you just stay in your comfort zone. You have to go out, try new things, try more difficult things, and that's what we did, or that's what I did. By the way, new siding on the shop, check it out, really cool, all cedar. Still have to paint the door. Got the Bavarian flag flying. It's Oktoberfest in Munich, last day tomorrow, I believe. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Always a special time. Alright, so this is the sign. This is what essentially was on the coin. I converted it over, really difficult. The horse and then the steam or whatever that is coming out of the nose with the castle in the background. I had to essentially break it down into 3 pieces, like the horse. Whoa, good catch. We don't want to destroy the sign or drop it. Customer would not like that. The horse, the castle, and the steam coming out, I had to make it in 3 parts. If you look close, there's a little, like this line here, it just sets the background, it sets it apart, like the castle and the steam, it sets it apart. Same here, there's a little bit of a line right here. You can see where the castle ends and the steam starts, and the same with the horse right here. It's just a little bit of a divider line in there just to separate it. That's something that I have to do for carving purposes. If this would be like a web-based image with like just colors and stuff, you wouldn't have to do that, but for carving purposes, things cannot bleed into each other or blend into each other. It would not look good. This is the whole sign, and here is the making of. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any ideas or anything you like me to carve, comment below any ideas. I read all the comments, so if you have a cool idea I like, any kind of challenge, then I might take it on and send you the sign. So comment below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already. That's something that Peter McKinnon says all the time. So but yeah, here we go, enjoy.